Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars, everything from old Cadillacs to muscle cars, street rods, resto mods, you name it. We'll tell you all about them in a minute, but look at the color on this car. I'll tell you what, it's a standout. Tell you more details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the home to close to 100 classic and collectible cars. And today we're going to talk about a really special one, Sublime Green. I'll tell you what a color. Everyone at 1970, when these came out on the Challengers and all the Mopar products, it stood out everywhere. You knew right away that was a Mopar. They had the colors. And guess what? Those colors are coming back today. You can find all of our cars, including this one, at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. So you can see our latest acquisitions, newest arrivals, and specials that we have in-house. Yes, this is one of those cars that, you want a standout color. You want absolutely beautiful paint all the way around. This is a car. Wait till you look at the underside of this car. We're going to show you a picture of that right now. The underside in this car is spectacular. This is a rotisserie restored car. Everyone says they're restored to certain levels. This one is done to the highest level. You take a look at this car. It does say it's a 340. It is a tribute car. It originally started, we have the fender tag, all the original paperwork. It started life as a 318 car. So I guess in that sense of the word, it has everything that's going to make it a RT, including the right stripes, the right wheels, the right hood, everything. But it is a tribute, and I guess that's the nice way to say it. And if you're looking for one of these cars, the convertibles are rare in any model, no matter what. This one is really, really nice. With the white interior, white seats, very nice to have on a convertible rather than the black bucket seats, just because the sun, if you leave the top down and you go out for a stroll, come back, it gets a little hot on the butt sometimes. So this one actually is really nice with the white interior. Car does have power steering as well, which is always one of those nice amenities. Power top, of course. Very, very nice. You'll have to look at that as well. Watch the entire video from start to finish. We do a walk around, a nice cold start so you can hear it run, everything. So watch all those details. You can also find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. So if you're looking for something, give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. It would really be fun. There's lots of interesting stories about this car and many of the other ones that we've had over the years. So take a look. I'm sure you'll find something you'd like. But if you're looking for a Mopar, a nice Mopar, they were notoriously rusty cars. This, of course, is not a car from Minnesota. Probably one of the best things that I can tell you about this in terms of, if you look at, again, the underside of this car, absolutely super clean car all the way around. Does have the dual exhaust coming out the back. 70 Challengers are always going to be in demand, and a convertible is even more in demand if you're looking for that summer cruiser. You can come on by to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5. Come on down on Saturdays as well. We're open 10 to 4. Love to have you show you this car and many of the other ones that we have. But I'll tell you what, doesn't this color just stand out? It is just like absolutely there. And it's so crazy. They're making the new ones are coming out with these colors as well. So they had a good thing in 1970. Continue forward. You want one from 70? We got it right here at Ellingson's. See you next time.